How is Rinpoche now?
Okay. Yes, usu hande dosal.
Ya betul awak.
Los
Saya nombor tadi dari Sarawak, nombor depan.
los
Nombor jalan nombor deh.
los
Nombor jalan kota Jordan jangan nombor, malah nombor dua.
los. Kesrum is telling that please he is fine and please tell Sam Rinpoche that he live long and he will pray for Sam Rinpoche long. Anda game ping na ba Sam Rinpoche ke mix se khasan me yesong so me di so me de game top game ne da ta ko chuna digo le sa that the game that you
Tapi rumah itu.
he doesn't want to put in the ear. Okay, and game the team me data la kicha ठीक हुआ है इसका यो मारा चीने ठीक है team में चीनी नासा लपे पहन को यो रहे सा game रबुचे काम सुने ngatu chava kore gap में अभी के shopping चिका ला रबुचे कोना पे mix के दे game ला packet नहीं दा खेंसु रबुचे खें छापा इसे ला packet दे यो सोन ला दे game ला packet नहीं दो ला दे सी दिपे मिसी बे याको यो रहे सा रबुचे लाओ अने दी चीनी नासा के चुए में दे रहे शाल लाओ जेम मारे game चीनी नासा में लाओ अने दे निगु चिकु सो game निगु योरो तुवा सा ने निगु कुये निंसा वो तो खाई ना नम्ब्यू दी कांबा शिंचु मोवा छे दोदो छे ने ई गांव सु अने दे छे मात्रम दिरवा वो दे टाने फेन तो याको तो लाओ
I want to take photo.
There's some questions to ask. Yes,
Thank you very much for granting us the audience. I just have one simple question. Perhaps Rinpoche can tell us a little bit about how Chum Rinpoche was like as a student.
Okay. Quran 속에 얘기 드린 대화가 제가 드린 다운데 또 투치스 얘 보고돼. 제가 그도 상마 드린 제가 드린 중앙을 얘가 투치스 아니 본속에다 단다 quran 단다 이게 르부체게 페나 단다 말레이시아다 페나 페 치로 룸바디를 캡타 지에저로 캡타 지에게 속발 내가 지고래 아 디톨라니 얘기 르부체다 르부체 템루지 콜라 내지 두두지 슈에나스 내지 도두디데 슈에나스 르부체 템루지 콜라
다 넘버 dia kono ta दा जोड़ मुझे पता सिला कुछ रोआ
लाओ
अने जुदा के जबाई को सिला जो रोआ
लाओ
के दा लामा तो के तो जोड़ तो है और के वाले ये तो काटे के तो बचल तो कोई ना पता या था कि योग ने
लाओ
और
Now, so Khenso Rinpoche is telling that Sem Rinpoche has been with Kyabju Song Rinpoche for a long time, and of course Khenso Chamba is here for a long time. So Sem Rinpoche have all this knowledge given from them. So he have this all knowledge. So it's very good for you all because Rinpoche have this knowledge. Lao.
ये रबर कोनों का आगे ना ये है कि संभाई जाया वो यार है
Loso. So Khenso Rinpoche is telling that Sem Rinpoche have always thinking of others only. Now,
इसीलिए चले
Lao. So he is telling that the main important thing is that for the if it's a Rinpoche or anyone for thinking for the others, this is the main thing quality in Sem Rinpoche. So Khenso Rinpoche is telling when Sem Rinpoche stayed in a Song Labra, he stayed meditation many times. He stayed meditation long time. Now so Khenso Rinpoche is telling that now that Sem Rinpoche is very trying is very hard and that he helping all these big temples here, and he said is very good of Rinpoche's work. Khyentse Rinpoche is saying that that you all have a relationship with Rinpoche. It's not just about normal people. Like not just it's very important that you have a Dharma's relationship with Tsemel Rinpoche. Is the main thing is that you have. Then anything else? Like
Okay.
What does Rinpoche think of Tsemel Rinpoche's teaching methods?
okay.
Because Rinpoche's way of teaching is not very traditional,
Okay.
and as a result have received a lot of criticism.
Oh, I see.
Yes. So, what is Rinpoche's?
Yes, it's a way of teaching. Does Rinpoche
What
think
does
about
Rinpoche think about it?
Kora jebige da jiwala Rinpoche Khyentse Rinpoche ke pena chue xie jiorwala chue xie di thola ane chue xie dan da chi yorwa dide genge tusam khande cheng dus chue xie dan yapo yugi na menas genge samju khar dus Rinpoche chi dan thingsang ge thengdu gi chue xie dan chi sungorwa bi samanawa ki bu yuye che chue xie ani samja boru boru la ni kemo dide la nangorwa di xie dan di thola genge samju khar dus ra
Tade tuzo tilo de tuzo korotan mega samba da thoma
no so
kemba de da yobare de
no so
woto mama peri chi chi de ko de ye to da khaka yore
no so
da wa
lao
wata tre de
no so
peda chi chi peri da chi chi de woto pecha da bu ye chana chote chote ni so ka bare de
no so
tuzo da ma yo tuzo choto de mega ma nyo ma tu ba de
lao
to saba de
lao
Tendage kiya de, kila ko lodo kiya de, kintu kete kila abu chani yore.
no. Khyentse Rinpoche is telling it is because of the time we have to go with the time. For the present time, the people because listen to Rinpoche's teaching and because Rinpoche when he give teaching there like sometimes he jokes also. This is because it's the time is like that. Before we like Khyentse Rinpoche is telling before they give a teaching, but that time they will take like 3-4 hours teaching, but that time have a time. Now this day is time is very less, so we have to go with the time. So what Rinpoche is teaching is a right method to teach to the others. Does it sense?
Yes.
Okay then.
Kila jo, ado kusu to ko kena, chiwa yugo ma lodo yugo ma de.
No.
Sema ko yugo, chuche to de do wa.
No.
Se de abu de zo bu to bo. Chune ke hiya di ya da ma. Se de ka ko ya ko de ji yo na, ne chuka na ta de. Se kusu to ko kena, ne yugo ma de.
Khyentse Rinpoche is telling if your mind is very like not permanent, then it's very difficult to give them a Dharma teaching. If your mind is permanent, like
More stable.
stable, is it stable? Then it's easy to put Dharma inside. So it's depend on the mind. So also it's like to teach to Dharma to the others. First we have to like the people nature. We have to go through the nature to teach them. To make if we do like a Dharma in like a very what we call not liking and then never can teach the Dharma to the people. If your mind is free and become open, then it's easy to teach the Dharma. Yes. You wanna ask anything about the Rinpoche's
What about
building?
Katudo?
The Tarichupshi do it again.
Yeah.
Now,
Which building?
Khamsen buildings. Do Khyentse Rinpoche have any idea? Do you want to ask anything about that? Because Rinpoche has built the Khamsens.
Oh.
It was Khyentse Rinpoche's instruction.
No, not instruction, but he have idea about that thing. I think. So if you can ask him about these things, maybe he have more something to say.
Yes.
Is it?
Yes. Okay.
혼주기 야 Rinpoche 녜마 당고 말레이시아라 페단 지어와라. 디페나 네주 디 간데여스나 메나 Khyentse Rinpoche가 Rinpoche가 보나주 녜마 쿠쇼라 우주 겸에 디데시네 말레이시아라 도 감생이 간다페나 감생 토자 숨도 게디 쿠쇼 빈바 도체 말레이시아 도네 디치여와라. 디토라 겐기 가르켄기 요나스라.
Temcholo kalga. Kami dindaje de joro. Ko chuko de bada.
샤이타무니
Mr.
Kong.
Mr. Kong.
Mr. Kong.
Untuk kata ada tu dia, nama tu untuk dia, kolonial tu dia ada.
Los.
Kita kolonial Kongo dia itu masih banyak orang.
Los.
Ini akan apa tu? Cuma tu macam tu punya.
Khenzo Rinpoche is saying that that time it was very difficult for Rinpoche to go there because there's no people, not much people around to know. So he have lots of difficulty to talk to the people, to understand, and so Khenzo Rinpoche is saying he have tried his heart very hard to come out the result that comes in this new house has come out. Like that time, the Tsemmo Rinpoche teach to Mr. Ko. So Mr. Ko is the one who also been donating, sponsoring the house, comes in house. Yeah.
That was when Rinpoche was in Malaysia.
Yes, that time Rinpoche was in Malaysia. But because we usually come here when students come, we visit Khenzo Rinpoche often, give some present. Like Rinpoche likes to give Khenzo Rinpoche the statues. You see? Remember? That statue. This Vajrayogini and also been given from Tsemmo Rinpoche. Heruka. Encho, Mother.